Hello, my name is Ajit and in this video I will demonstrate how to set up a cross-region replication on AWS S3 bucket. So first of all, what is cross-region replication? So cross-region replication is a feature of S3 bucket which allows you to replicate your data from one bucket to another bucket on the different location. Just for example, I have a bucket in AWS Asia region, so I want the data of that bucket should be replicated onto the a bucket on AWS US region or Canada region or Australia region. So bucket configured for object replication can be owned by the same AWS account or by a different AWS accounts. So types of replication we have is cross-region replication, where we can replicate the data from one region to another region. Then second one, we have a same region replication. This is for if you want to replicate your data from one same working region to another region, for example Asia to Asia region, so we can use the same region replication. So best practice to set up a cross region replication is you need to enable versioning on both the bucket. One is source bucket and second one is destination bucket. By default versioning is disabled, so you make sure you need to enable the versioning. Number two, if you have any data or any object in the bucket, that will not replicate to the another bucket, because we are setting up the cross region replication after the bucket or after the object is already loaded to the or already uploaded to the bucket. So make sure your bucket is empty. If you have already have a data, you need to update the data manually to the another bucket. Third one, all the subsequent updates, if you are updating the files, if you are updating any live files, it will automatically replicate to the destination bucket. So if you delete any file, the deleted mark object will not displayed or will not replicated to the destination bucket. This is an example with the diagram. You have a source bucket in the Asia Pacific and you need to replicate your data into the destination region bucket, which is in Asia Pacific Singapore region. So let's go to the AWS account and start with the practical. Log into my AWS management console. I will go to the S3 bucket. So I will create a bucket, AWS ThinkIT Asia, and the region of this bucket is Asia Pacific Mumbai. Next, so I need to enable the versioning, so I'll click on the versioning option, click next, next, and create bucket. So my first bucket is created. This is my source bucket. Now I will create a destination bucket. This is in Singapore, ThinkIT. So region, I will select the Singapore region. Under this is also in Asia Pacific, means in the Asia Pacific we have number of regions. Next, and then under the versioning you need to check this box and enable the versioning on this bucket also. Next, next, and create a bucket. So now we have two buckets. One is in the Asia Pacific region and second one is in Asia Pacific Singapore region. So let's go to the first bucket, which is AWS ThinkIT Asia. So this is our source bucket. I want to replicate the data from my source bucket to my destination bucket. I'll click on that. I'll go to the management tab. Under the management, I will go to the replication tab. As you can see, we don't have created any of the replication till now. I'll create it and I'll create a add a rule. So I want entire bucket to be replicated, which is known as AWS ThinkIT Asia. If I want to replicate it with AWS KMS with the encryption, I will check this box and put my key under the this AWS KMS. So I'm using the default one. Click next. So in the second tab, you need to select the destination bucket. I'll click on that. My destination bucket is Asia Singapore ThinkIT. Click on that. So, and I want the data should replicate it node at the standard class. So I'll click on that. I'll change the storage class to standard IAA, or I can change the object class to the glacier. So here I'm using intelligent tiering. Next. So next is you need to create a IAM role. So you need to go to select a role and create a new role. So what it will do, it will automatically create a bucket rule for the cross region replication. I'll give a name from Asia to Singapore. Click next, save. It will take few seconds. So now my replication rule is already created on this bucket. So you can check the source bucket and the destination bucket. Source bucket is AWS ThinkIT Asia and destination bucket is Singapore ThinkIT. The region of source bucket is Asia Pacific and destination bucket is Asia Pacific Singapore. So it already created the IAM role with the name of role for AWS ThinkIT Asia to Singapore ThinkIT. So if you want to edit the global setting, you can click on that to edit or change the setting. So now my cross region replication rule is already applied to AWS ThinkIT Asia. So let's upload any data or any object under this bucket. I click on overview, I click on upload, I'll go to add files, I'll go to desktop. So I have a PNG file. I will upload this PNG file to this bucket. Next, so this is the standard file. So permission is standard permissions. I'm not changing any of the permissions. Next, so the storage class of this particular file is a standard. Leave as a default. Next, and upload. So you can see that status bar. The file is already uploaded on the AWS ThinkIT Asia bucket. So let's go to the AWS Amazon S3 and click on Singapore ThinkIT. So you can click on that, refresh it. It will take some seconds to sync the data. So you can see the aa.png file is also replicated to the Singapore ThinkIT bucket. So let's do one thing. Let's go back and again go back to my AWS ThinkIT Asia bucket. Now I will upload any document here. So I go into my downloads. So what I'll do, I'll just create a new document for the testing purpose under the desktop. With the name of cross region, and open this file and I'll type this is a testing file and I'll save this file. Now what I'll do, I'll go to my bucket, add files and upload this file crossregion.rtf file. Next. So as you know, the versioning is enabled on both my buckets. So this is the file. This is a cross region file 1. So what I'll do, I'll just do the sum of the changes in the file. Demo file, I'm saving this file. Now I go back to the bucket again, upload the same file and click next. So as you know, versioning is enabled, so it will not change or it will not merge with the original file. So you can go to the show and you can see the latest version of the file, the date, the time, the version ID is already on the cross region Think IT Asia bucket. So now I will go to my another bucket, Singapore Think IT. I'll refresh the sync and I go to the show, and you can see both my version of the files are updated or uploaded on my Singapore Think IT bucket. So this is the way you can set up a cross region replication on your any of the S3 buckets. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.